Hi, everyone. I'm Foss. My friend and demo driver today is Jean Berdesh. We founded Quantopian together, and we did it because we wanted to unlock the most closely guarded secrets of Wall Street and make quantitative finance accessible. We started with a free and open backtester, and since then, members have been asking one question again and again. How can I take the algorithms that I created on Quantopian and connect them to my broker to trade live? So you can imagine how thrilled we are to be here today to launch Quantopian Live Trading and to invite you to apply to our pilot program. Today, Jean and I will show you how Quantopian lets you create, test, and live trade with algorithms. Let me start by talking a bit about algorithmic finance and explaining why it's so powerful for investors. First, algorithms decide without emotion. Algorithms make decisions based on data and are not subject to human foibles like fear, greed, doubt, or arrogance. Second, algorithms can be tested. That means you can extensively explore the behavior of your strategies before you commit any money. So why doesn't everybody trade this way? The problem is the software engineering involved is just too difficult. Creating, testing, and launching live algorithms can take months. That's why Quantopian does all the software engineering for you. We make the process so easy that Jean and I are going to create, test, and live trade an algo right here on stage in the next few minutes. First of all, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of rules that you can write in code. It sounds complicated, but we're going to create a really simple algorithm together right now. As an example, consider momentum investing. The idea with momentum investing is that if a price is going up, it'll keep going up, and if it's going down, it'll keep going down. We can think of it as a stock's price moving above a short moving average and considering that as going up and at a time when we should buy. So that's a rule, and we can write it in code. Let's do it right now. Right here is our development environment, and this is where you code your algorithm. To keep things simple, Jean is going to pick one stock to track. Let's just use IBM today. Now Jean is coding the algo to find the 5-day moving average. He'll then compare the moving average to the price, and if the price is above the moving average, we're going to buy. If the price is lower than the moving average, we're going to sell. And that's it. We just coded our algorithm. Now, before we start trading any real money, we should test this. After all, that's the beauty of investing with algorithms. One way to test your idea is to stream historical data through the algorithm and see how it may have done. To do that, you need two things. You need a backtester, and you need clean data. Quantopian provides both. Take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Right here in the code editor, we give you your backtest results. You don't even need to change your view in order to run over 10 years of historical data through your algorithm and check its performance. Let's take a look at a more detailed backtest for the same simple algorithm. Our backtester provides several performance and risk metrics to help you analyze how your algorithm might do in live trading. You can see everything from the alpha and Sharpe to the information ratio right here. Now, after all of this testing, if you feel your algorithm is ready, you can deploy it to live trading. And we've taken a process that used to take months and made it into a single button click. Let's do it right now. And there we go. We're trading live. So let's review what just happened. We took an idea about momentum investing. We coded it, tested it, and now it's trading live in production. That wasn't months of work. That was just minutes. Our algorithm is now diligently watching the market, waiting for the buy or sell signal. The algo won't get tired. It won't go sick. It won't go out to a long lunch. We can move on to more important things, like developing our next idea. Now, since our algo hasn't been alive for very long, it hasn't placed any trades yet, and Jean's pulled up another one that's been running for about a week. As you can see, it made several trades already, and we're doing pretty well. This gorgeous display tracks your algo minute by minute, showing performance, risk levels, and custom charts of your own choosing continuously. And of course, you can always check in on your Quantopian algos from your phone. Our first example was extremely simple, but Quantopian can do things that no human trader can, like choosing a huge cross-section of stocks to analyze simultaneously in real time. And with Quantopian, you can move far beyond just pricing data. You can use anything that you can find on the web. Social data, government releases, public filings, news sentiment, anything electronic can be incorporated into Quantopian algorithms. We built a data reader called Fetcher, and it opens up millions of online data sources to your algo. Quantopian is also an engaged community. Currently more than 6,000 strong and growing, our members range from seasoned algorithmic traders to aspiring future quants. Algorithms on Quantopian are private, and members retain full ownership of their intellectual property. However, many members choose to share their algos. People who share are looking for help, or they want to show off new discoveries. When you see a shared algorithm that you think is interesting, you can clone a copy, tinker with the algorithm, and run a backtest of your own. Reading and editing an existing algorithm is one of the best ways for new quants to learn, but it's also one of the best ways for seasoned quants to improve. I'd like to invite everyone to visit Quantopian and experience the ease and power of algorithmic finance firsthand. In no time at all, you can clone an example and do some backtesting yourself. You can even paper trade your algo against live market data and apply for a Quantopian live trading pilot account. John and I will be at our booth later today, and we'd love to answer your questions. And thank you so much for your time and attention, and enjoy the rest of the show.